morning, class 4, and welcome to GK class. Today we are going to begin a new chapter, and before we go and study more on the new chapter, I want you to see a video next to it to give you the glimpse of the chapter we are going to study. So today we are going to study about cat. Chapter 13, Cat History. So many might be having cat at your home as domestic pet. You might be playing with it. You might be feeding it. It might be a male or a female. And you like cats. And many might not. So you are playing with it. You spend a lot of time with your cat, but hardly most of you know certain facts about cat. So today we are going to learn few facts about cat, which is also given in the book. So there is a place in the world known as Egypt, and people of Egypt are known as Egyptians. So ancient Egyptian means many days back in Egypt, many years, millions of years back in Egypt, people used to praise or worship cats. They used to give a lot of importance to cat. And at that time, now also in few areas in Egypt, it is follow that if any person kills or harm cats, then they are getting huge punishment for it. Because people of Egypt worship cat as goddesses. There are certain other facts like a group of cat is known as clouder. The male cat is called as Tom. The female cat is called as Molly or Queen. And the young cats, the babies, are known as kittens. So here are other interesting facts about cats. The first one is cats conserve energy by sleeping for an average of 13 to 14 hours a day. That means cats sleep for a long time. 13 to 14 hours they can sleep, and by sleeping they save their energy. The second, cats are born blind, but the ability to see comes during the first 2 weeks after their birth. So when the cats are born, they are blind. They are usually blind, but after they grow to 2 weeks, when they are first 2 weeks after their birth, then their eyesight becomes clear and they are able to see. Number 3, they have a third eyelid that is usually visible to us. We all have only one eyelid, isn't it? But cats have 3 eyelids, so the third eyelid is visible to us, as you can see in the picture. Fourth, cats are poor in tasting sweet stuff as they have very few taste buds overall. Taste buds means what? It is present in your tongue. You can see in the picture I have shown there the cat taste buds. Now we also have taste bud, and these taste bud are help us in tasting different food. Like we can taste sour taste, sweet, bitter, salty, This taste we can feel because of the taste bud present in our tongue. Taste bud are little pouches which are present and which help us to taste food. So in cat, that is very few in number, and they usually can't taste the sweet food. Fifth, cats can rotate their ears almost 180 degree. 180 degree means one half circle, not complete circle, a half circle. So they can rotate their ears to up to half circle. How they do it? It is shown in the next video. So I have added few extra facts about the cats. So the first one, about 18% of household in UK owns a cat. UK means United Kingdom, which is in foreign. There about 18% of the houses have cats as pet. Next, the oldest pet, a cat, existed about 9,500 years ago. That means about 9,500 years ago, there was a cat kept as pet. First cat kept as pet. Third, a cat named Stubb was a mayor of Tilkitna in Alaskan town. So there in foreign, a town is there, Alaskan, and there a place, Tilkitna. In that place, one cat whose name is Stubb was announced as a mayor. Mayor is the one who is the head of the town. The next, the name of a richest cat is Blackie. Now many cats are used as models. Models means they are used to click pictures. Their pictures are being taken and they are put in the Google so that people could look through it. So when you search in Google as cat images, then the pictures of cat will appear and different cats are there. So these cats are paid for it. The owners are paid for it. So the richest cat is Blackie. Next, in 1963, a cat went to space. So there was an astronaut who took his cat along with him to the space in 1963. A cat walks like a giraffe or a camel. So if you observe a cat, you will see that it walks at the beginning, it will walk very slowly, just like a giraffe or a camel. The movement of the legs are just like that. Next, the oldest cat in the world is about 38 years old. Means the oldest cat, the first cat was of 38 years old. Next, Didga, a cat can perform 24 tricks in 1 minute. Now, various animals, especially the pet or the domestic animals, are trained for doing different tricks. So, there was a cat named Didga who could perform about 24 tricks in 1 minute. So, that is a world record. Now, there are more than 100 breed of domestic cats in the world. Now, many cats are kept as pets. They are kept as pet. But not all cats are same. Some are of different shapes, different colors. So breed means different varieties of cats. So there are about more than 100 varieties of cats. So this is all about today's topic, cat's history. I have added few additional facts also. So you just try to remember it. It can be beneficial for you in some or the other way.